Hello, everybody on the internet world and everybody in the real world who just happens to be watching the internet. How you doing? Gonna have a couple of songs today for you. Again, we're back. We're live at 5 in Ireland. I like that. My friend Claire said, "Are you going live at 5?" I'm like, yeah. Great stuff. Right, I'm just double checking a few things here. Yeah. So, welcome. I'll make sure that I'm actually streaming. There's Mark Flint. Loud and clear. Thank you very much. And I know by that Mark Flynn calling me Endor, I know which Mark Flynn it is. You're very welcome, Mark. How you doing? Check out Mark's been doing a few videos online, lovely stuff on his YouTube channel. Go over at Mark Flynn. Yeah, he was doing what was it? Chris Christopherson he was singing, and Mark's amazing as a singer and a songwriter as well. There's Liz Lentz. How are you doing? Welcome. So we have some people over on Facebook anyway. Yeah, so we're today, because I asked about requests, we got a lot of requests. So today I'm not even sure if I'm going to sing one of my own songs. We'll see. The set list has been is crammed, and I'm still not getting to everybody's requests, so I apologize in advance for not getting everyone's requests in. Some of them just don't suit me. I'm not a machine, you know what I mean? I'm not a jukebox machine that can do everything. But next week I'll be, no I won't, no. Yeah, let me see, who else have we got? We got Kathy Harrigan again. Good to see you again, Kathy. Must be Saturday. It is Saturday. And Alan McMillan, great to have you here as well. So if there's anyone over on YouTube, maybe you'd say hello so we can just see that. I also would like to apologize to anyone. For some reason my chat box thing doesn't show everybody, so you could be there doing a message. If I don't respond, it's because for some reason I'm not seeing it, not because I'm ignoring you or something. Do you know what I mean? That's the story there. With the way the web is working, it's just a bit weird. So I may see if I can find anyone on the internet. Thanks for sharing around, Mark, as well. Yeah, that'd be great if people could actually share the stream on whatever you're on, Twitter, or just shout it out the window there. You could tell people out the window to tune in or something. That'd be cool. Or put the speaker out the window so they don't even have to tune in. They can just listen. That'd be like even better. Mark Harlow is on YouTube. That's brilliant. And Anya Lily, how you doing, Anya? Okay, yeah. I'm going to go to the store. Good luck there. We did a bit of shopping yesterday. I walked. It's snowing at the minute. Irish people will probably find that strange. I was talking to my brother Sean earlier, and it's sunny and beautiful in Ireland, in Dublin anyway. So yeah, I was in a blizzard yesterday and it was really fun. It was brilliant. I loved it. I went out for a walk while I was cleared out the head. I was on the computer. I've got some videos I'm working on. You'll see them coming up at some point soon. And it was kind of doing me head in, and I went for a walk and it was great. Who else we have before I get going? We have, where am I? I'm missing people. Judith Nicewanger, how you doing? Down in Florida. Great to have you with us again. Christine McCarthy, happy Saturday. Marcelo, hello. You're very welcome from Argentina. You're very welcome. And we have Louise Walker having a cold cider in a sunny Kildare. Oh, excellent. Lovely, lovely. All right, I will get the show on the road. And Yeah. This one's for this one is Ain't No Sunshine. Bill Withers passed away recently, and I never got to sing a tribute to him. We used to sing a few of his songs like Lovely Day in the Gospel Project back in Ireland, in churches. There's nothing better than singing Lovely Day and stuff in a church. It's a great song. This one is Ain't No Sunshine. It was asked for by Tori. So this is for Tori and River and Azara and Craig, who are in Battle Creek doing their isolating and all that. And yeah, Ain't No Sunshine, because we've got snow here as well. So let me see, how do I do it? Oh yeah, reverb. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. No, it's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away, I wonder this time where she's gone. I wonder if she's gone to stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. And I know, 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 I leave your thing alone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Well, ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away. Sunshine when she's gone. No, it's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. And she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Ain't no sunshine. What a song, what a man. He was fixing, Bill Withers had a job putting toilets into airplanes, and he was writing songs as he was putting toilets into airplanes. Like, what a man. And then he gets a record deal, and they want to do it, you know, the old story of they take over and everything. He goes, nah, I want to do it my way, or else I want to go back to putting toilets into airplanes. So fair play to him. He was some man, and just such natural lyrics. What a songwriter. So delighted to get to sing one of his songs. Who else have we got going on here? Sweeners Orley, herself and Fian are up there in Sligo at the beach. What a lovely spot they got going on there. Great to see your photos and stuff. Always great to see people's photos on Instagram and all these places. I think it's good for everyone to see the outdoors and all different places around the world to remind us of where we were. This morning, Fiach Moriarty reminded us of a video he made in Dublin years ago, and a couple of us helped out, and that was he walked backwards through the city streets of Dublin, and then they put it forward so it looked like he was going forward, but everyone else is going backward. It was great. It was good fun. So it was nice to see that again. How are you, Matthew? Welcome in. Liam Carson, Guramila Mahagat, Liam, Fáilte Road and Shut. Liam runs Imram, which is Féile Gaeilge in Ireland, which has a lot of translations from different languages to the Irish language, keeping the language alive. Kunal on Changabio, Mahu, Liam. Tim Hart down in south of Spain. How are you, Tim? You're very welcome. And California has come online. Excellent. Happy birthday to Anne-Marie, says Rory. Yes, so Anne-Marie's birthday was yesterday, and we had pizza. I made my low-carb pizza. Wasn't great, wasn't amazing, but it was good. It was still good. Anne-Marie had a real one, proper. Yeah, we have Annika. Anne-Marie's answering for herself there online. That's great. She had a great day. Well, hopefully she did. I was the only one she saw. So, except for her friend Betsy, who came all the way across to just wave. She drove 20 miles to bring a Panera. Gotta love Panera. Making sure there was a bit of carbs in Anne-Marie's life for her birthday. Hello, Wolfgang. How you doing? And lovely to hear from you again there. Tori. Bettine, how are you doing? Great to see you. Féile Litríochta na Gaeilge. That's it exactly for Liam. Many's a gig I've done, and we had some great stuff there. And Gabriel Rosenstock, Agus a Chuid, and Shin. Right, we're going to move along. It's going to be, I think it's going to be quite a lot of covers. And actually, I don't know if I have any Gaeilge in there today. Go hundiul I do. So we'll have to maybe remedy that as we go along. So, going to do, because it was Anne-Marie's birthday, most of the ideas for the set are Anne-Marie's today. Because that's just the way it's got to be. So, this is I'm Not Awake Yet, which I actually feel a bit that way at the moment because I was up in the middle of the night. I woke up at 3 o'clock this morning, got up for a couple of hours, did a bit of work and tried to get a bit more sleep again, but sometimes that just happens. So I am not awake yet. This is Rory Gallagher. Rory Gallagher's song. Rory Gallagher was an amazing blues musician from Ireland, Donegal and Cork fight it out over who owns Rory Gallagher, but the world owns Rory, so Rory owned the world. I'm not awake yet, I haven't opened my eyes. I'm gonna be on time. But today's the day that you are coming back, and I can't wait to see you materialize. How long will it take now before I break inside? How much can I take now before I realize that I can't live without you by my side, and nothing else will keep me satisfied. I'm not awake yet. I haven't opened my eyes. I'm gonna make it. Gonna be on time, gonna be on time. But today is the day that you are coming back. And I can't wait to see you materialize. But I looked at my heart now, and I trust in my eyes. But I made that mistake, but I'm not gonna make it twice. Time can put the man on the other side, and I can't wait to see what's left behind. You gotta love Rory. You gotta love Rory Gallagher. What a guitarist. Amazing, amazing stuff. Bailile gan buirach sin ceart ar fada got sin léim. Rory. Frank Wang, how you doing? Hello to Shy and Grayson and Frank. Yes, over in Ann Arbor direction. You're very welcome for the live stream, Jim. I enjoy doing it. It's a bit of crack for me, and keeps me playing and yeah, playing music, and the interaction with people is great. It's lovely. So yeah, where are we gonna go next? We're gonna try. Anne-Marie wanted. I Rolled Her Down. This one's called. It's about falling in love with the ocean. Kind of the idea of being a fisherman out on the ocean, or somebody who falls in love with whatever it is, and that's their life. And yeah. So this is I Rolled Her Down, and also Andy Meany likes this one as well. He plays with Aoife Scott, and he's awesome. So the fact that he likes it, I think is great. I like that. Where is it here? So yeah, I do this weird thing with capos to yeah, have a bit of fun with it. We need a bit more on that. First time I saw her, I could not believe my eyes. Waves upon waves upon waves below the white and bluest skies. I've been rolling around. I roll her up, I roll her down. I've been rolling around. Roll her up, I roll her down. I roll her down. Well, the next time I saw her, I could not believe my eyes. Waves upon waves upon waves below the white and blue skies. I've been rolling around. Roll her up, I roll her down. I've been rolling around. Roll her up, I roll her down. I roll her down. I roll her down. Well, the last time I saw her, 'twas death didn't do us part. Waves upon waves upon waves above my still unbeating heart. I've been rolling around. Roll her up, I roll her down. I've been rolling around. Roll her up, I roll her down. Roll her down. I roll her down. Right, that was I rolled it down. Rolled her down. I have to make a recording of that one proper, and maybe a video soon at some point. Who else have we got going on here? Rhiannon. Hello, Rhiannon. Are you collecting any faces? She's Rhiannon and the Face Collectors. Teresa, how you doing? From Mayo. Oh, Nathan, how are you doing? I don't know you, Nathan, as much as I should. You're my first cousin once removed. If I know how cousins work. And you're very welcome. Thanks for tuning in, Nathan. In Ahamar, in Conde Wio. Angelica or Angelica, I'm gonna go with. Thanks and happy birthday to Anne-Marie. Thanks you, Angelica. Appreciate that. There we go. We have Mark and Marcelo. Yeah. Thank you very much, Marcelo. Lovely. And hello back to River again. So, let me see. I think we're going down in the world here. Right. I'm gonna. You've been seeing the mandolin over here for the last while, and haven't been playing it much mando. So we're gonna do something on the mandolin. Another one of Anne Marie's requests. This one is, it's a John Martin song, and yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I love the mandolin. It's a great thing. It's a little. I do feel a bit. I like the guitar is a bit bigger, which is it suits me better. But it's nice, the mandolin, for a tune or two. And this one, I don't know why I ended up playing this one on the mandolin, but I recall hearing about John Martin's death actually, and we used to play in Bewley's on Grafton Street. And I recall playing this at one of my gigs on the mandolin, and up there on the second floor of Bewley's Cafe Theatre, which I hear is closing for good because they can't afford the rent and all that type of thing. And I guess this whole thing is gone. So it's a shocking thing to hear about that, but hopefully somebody else might take up the same space and do something interesting in it. Okay, sounds a little out of tune still. So this one's called Over the Hill. Alright, we got it. Alright. Shut in. Gone away to leave you, gonna leave you in disgrace. Nothing in my favor, got the wind in my face. I'm going home. Hey, 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 over the hill. Over the hill. Hey, 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 over the hill. I've been worried about my baby, I've been worried about my wife. Just one place for a man to go when he's worried about his life. Over the hill. Hey, 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 over the hill. Over the hill. Hey, 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 over the hill. Can't get enough of sweet cocaine, get enough of Mary Jane. Going back to where I come from, going rolling back home again over the hill. Hey, 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 over the hill. Over the hill. Hey, 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 over the hill. Hey. That was good fun. Wolfgang over in Deutschland, he is like a massive fan of Luke Kelly. I know my brother out there, Sean's a big fan of Luke Kelly as well. And he was looking for something from Luke. His friend Stephen Kennedy was mentioning it too, and it was like, okay, what will I do from Luke? Because he's got so many amazing things. First of all, we'll say hello to a few more heads here. Let's change the view. Happy birthday, Teresa. It's on the 13th. What date are we even on here? We're the 9th. So happy birthday, Teresa. Thanks, Rhiannon. I will do. Thank you. How long does it take to tune a mandolin? Nobody knows. You're always tuning it. Yes. We're over the hill. She asked for it. The Irish people are amazing. We love songs all that don't make any sense at all, but sure, we love them for just being what they are. Oh, the D Ream song. Donald asked for that as well. I learned that off and I just did it in like a weekend or something, and I'll have to look up the chords for You're the Best Thing by D Ream. We're going to have to, if you want at the moment, anyone who hasn't heard that can go on my YouTube channel and have a listen, but I won't, I'll only make a blather of it at the moment. That was a great little hit in Ireland. I don't know that it came to America or anything, but it's a great song. Right, Ag Bugarai. Yeah, I'm gonna just do a verse or so of this one. This is kind of your poetry and your Luke Kelly all in one. And usually Luke had this recitation he did, and when I was doing my album with Stephen James Smith, I set it to music, or even before that, and we put it on the album. So I'm going to do a verse of it. It's called For What Died the Sons of Roisin. That's kind of how he does it, but I kind of threw an L melody on it. What died the sons of Roisin? Was it greed? For what died the sons of Roisin? Was it greed? For what flowed Ireland's blood in rivers that began when Brian chased the Dane and did not cease, nor has not ceased with the brave sons of 16. For what died the sons of Roisin? Was it greed? To whom do we owe our allegiance today? To whom do we owe our allegiance today? To those brave men who fought and died, that Roisin live again with pride. Her youth at home to work and sing, her youth to dance and make our valleys ring. For to whom do we owe our allegiance today? Way. So, muting. Yep. So that was a Luke Kelly, an excerpt from Luke Kelly thing. That's for Wolfgang over in Deutschland and Shin. Where to? Oh yeah. I had two requests for the same song on two different songs, so it's kind of like, okay, they gotta go in there then. So we've had people being patient. Let me see, which song is it we'll go for? Yeah. What's that, love? Oh yeah. Yeah, there's always a bit of lag. Is anyone saying hello there? Aoife Scott's there as well. How you doing, Aoife? Aoife's getting ready for lots of online gigs as well, where she has millions of people watching her from Kildare. They had a great one in Nashville. when she was over. Fair play. So this one is another John Martin song, and I recall playing this one in many places, but in Castledownbere, in that famous pub in Castledownbere. There was a book written about and all. I can't even remember what the name of the pub was now. I'm sure I used to go there. Murphy's. I was going to say it was Murphy's, but it was like, no, that's too easy. Murphy's Bar, that's it exactly. What a place, beautiful spot. And that's where the line about the black ball head comes in, because we used to cycle out to the black ball head looking at rocks for my thesis for my geology degree. Anyway, McCarthy's. See, I knew I wasn't feeling it. It's McCarthy's, yeah, McCarthy's Bar. See, terrible, shocking, shame on me. But anyway, and I should remember the bar lady's name as well. She was lovely. So this is May You Never, Donald Mackay asked for it, and also Claire McAteer. So this is let's see, hopefully I can do a job of it. May you never lay your head down without a hand to hold. May you never make your bed out in the cold, where you're just like a strong brother of mine. You know I love you true. You never talk dirty behind my back, and I know that there's those that do. So please won't you bear it in mind? Love is a lesson to learn in our time. Please won't you bear it in mind for me. May you never lay your head down without a hand to hold. May you never make your bed out in the cold, where you're just like a close sister of mine. You know I love you true, and you hold no blade to stab me in my back, but I know that there's those that do. So please won't you bear it in mind? Love is a lesson to learn in our time. Please won't you bear it in mind for me. May you never lose your temper if you get hit in a barroom fight. May you never lose your love for romance. May you never lay your head down without a hand to hold. May you never make your bed out in the cold. Yes, that was for Claire McAteer and Donald Mackay as well, who had asked for it too. So, Moshiv. So that we had two John Martin ones there. John Martin with a Y, if you're ever looking him up online. He was awesome. Yes, hiya Wolfgang. The reason you never heard that as a song is because I put the music to it. So if you don't have a copy of the album that Stephen James Smith and I did, then you're out of luck. Or if you didn't catch a gig we did. Christina Kennedy, how you doing? Beautiful day in Ireland. Okay, great. Sitting in the garden. Great, good place to be if you can be. Thanks, Tim. I hope that makes you cry in a good way, not in a bad. If there's different ways of crying, I hope it makes you cry in a good way. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give this next one a go now. Seems that we're in Cork. With in my mind, I'm in Cork there with that one. I'm gonna do a song by a Cork man. but actually it's about the town where my father was from, Kilshima. And Anne-Marie requested this one. I've been kind of working on it. So this is for Anne-Marie and everyone in Kilshima. I didn't write this one. John Spillane wrote it, and I'm going to owe him a pint because I'm singing it. So I recall being in London that night a few years ago when everyone, all the Irish went over to London to do a kind of a gig over there for the Late Show, and John Spillane was there and he was singing this as well, and it was lovely in the green room with all these heads. It was some night. It was great. Right, and this is Shohei and Shohei. Sorry, I'm in the wrong tuning. When you have so many tunings. It'll only be a second. Not as bad as the mandolin for tuning. Right, Tamaran Shin. So Kilshima is a lovely spot. The Yellow River that he mentions, I never knew the name of it. It's down by where my great aunt and uncle are still down there in Oxford, down past Oxford, I think it is out. And I used to go fishing there with my dad. So I have some memories of around those parts. So John did a great job with this song. John Spillane, just a magic songwriter. So. Kilshima, oh, the dark winds from the mountain are searching through the streets downtown. Kilshima, all your lonely sons and daughters are scattered like thistledown. By the shadows of Oshlievchan. Roses bloom all along the Yellow River. One childlike star steps out into the dawn. All my dreams, I dream them in the morning, I dream them at the break of the day. All my hopes are like snow upon the mountain, they vanish like the snow away. Shadows of Oshlievchan. Roses bloom all along the Yellow River. One childlike star steps out into the dawn. Quiltema, a ville of by the shadows of Ashleigh. Roses bloom all along the yellow river. One childlike star steps out into the dawn. I played that for my wife who wanted to hear. So, my wife. What's that? Oh. I get a kiss.
Fix your hair.
Fix my hair. What's wrong with my hair? Hasn't been cut in a long time. What am I doing with my hair? Oh, sure, I never think of my hair anyway. Hair. I need to chop it off like a load of other people have done. No messing. Yeah, you missed the Rolling song, Aoife. You're going to have to go back in time and find the Rolling song again for Andy. What else have we got? Sound in Class. Thanks, Andy. Lovely hurling. Yes, John Spillane stuff is just amazing. Where to? Right. We had another song. Yeah. So years ago, I used to sing this song. It's a cover of the Stone Roses. They're called. I think they were out of Manchester, type of influenced Oasis and all them lads. They have a couple of great songs, and this one is one of them. And I have a video of this from when I used to do live streams probably 10 years ago. It went viral back then, or mini viral, and then another guy in England put some drums on it and stuff. So stuff like that wasn't happening very often back then, but it was good fun. Anyway, this is called Waterfall. It's not Don't Go Chasing Waterfalls, but that was a different hit. So anyway, here we go. Today's the day she swore. Thanks to Stephen Kennedy and to my brother Sean for asking for that one. Totally individually. So had to be done. So yeah. What else am I gonna do? Yeah, I'm gonna do. Give me a second here. How am I gonna start this out? Sorry, I had to plug things in different places, but I didn't want to ruin your ears in the process. So, where are we off to now? Let me see. Wash your hands, wash your hands. Wash your hands, wash your hands. Wash your hands. There you go, Rory. There's wash your hands. Alright, I am losing it here. Right. Let's do something. What am I doing? Where was I supposed to go? Tomorrow is Mother's Day in the USA, and so happy Mother's Day to all mothers in the USA, and sure, happy Mother's Day to all mothers everywhere. Why not? Sure, we'll extend it back to all the mothers in Ireland as well, and my own mother in Ireland, hopefully in the garden, enjoying the sun. So my mother-in-law Arlene, she's down in Florida at the moment, but what's that? I have my wife talking to me here, but I'm going to do a song for her. A few verses. We'll see what I can remember. This is she loves what's it called? Amazing Grace. So we're going to do Amazing Grace, which has an Irish connection in that the fella who wrote the lyrics, he had a turnaround, change of faith, wrote the lyrics supposedly after being shipwrecked on up in Donegal, and turned his life around and became holy, and wrote these lyrics. So that's what I heard anyway. I don't know. Presume it's true. Alright, I used to sing this a lot with my pals in the Gospel Project, so it's kind of reminded me of that. So, see how we get on. Amazing Grace, how does it go? Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious there's as churchy as I get. My aunt Mary was asking for a psalm, but yeah, I didn't know it, and also yeah, I'm trying to not get too churchy. I've got my own kind of spiritual songs. So actually, I'm gonna sing a song. I think I was up when I was up early this morning. I was checking Instagram. There was a lot of people involved with the Darkness into Light. I think it's for Pieta House, where yeah, I think I'm not fully sure what goes on. They get up early in the morning before the light, and I think it's to make money for the Pieta House. Anyway, I'm gonna sing my song. What is it even called? Sure, I'll sing it and you'll hear it anyway. She doesn't need a name. You need a name. Okay. In the depth of silence sits eternity, waiting for a wondrous stirring melody, like a seed that needs no time to grow up to the stars. And shining in the darkness is each a living being, reflecting to the universe their amazing dreams. The cry of gulls, the howl of wolves in the night. So tell me you see me and sing me a song the way only you can sing, and bring forth the light in the darkest of nights the way only you can bring. And even though the darkness waits for everyone, and even though we struggle on without a plan, we'll light up that dark abyss, we'll fill it up with just one kiss. So tell me you see me and sing me a song the way only you can sing, and bring forth the light in the darkest of nights the way only you can bring. Thank you. I want to do that for two friends of mine, Tim and Mark Flynn as well. Tim Hart and Mark Flynn. Thinking of you guys at this time. So that's called Light from the Darkness. That's I forgot what it was called. I haven't sung it in a long time, but I do. And Anne Marie is reminding me, she read the lyrics of that one at her grandmother's funeral. So there you are. So yeah, we got a bit churchy there. We got a bit churchy, but we need a bit of that from time to time. Where to? How are we getting on? Are we getting on time wise? We're doing good. There's no limit. There's no limit. There's no limit. So, yeah, I'm going to do one on Squelga. I need to come on with Liam Carson, Fos and Shin, but Liam put it in my mind that it'd be nice to do Rudeg and Squelga in you. So, shut our on Darbanum on Nosk Nua, the new connection. And feel free to chat to anyone who's either on the Facebook or on the YouTube page there. Maybe you can make a new connection over the internet, say hello to people or whatever, and we've a couple of people who keep coming back every Saturday, so you're all very welcome. And this the live stream thing is a way of creating new connections. So this is called An Nasc Nua, which means the new connection, and it just talks of how there's kind of unlimited potential in new ideas, people meeting, all that type of stuff. So it's kind of celebrating that concept of new stuff. I'm gonna have some ishke, and sometimes with this one I tell of my how I like salt. Salt is great. What'd you say? Do you need more water? No, I'm fine. I think I'm fine anyway. I don't know. That's what I tell myself. I'm sure you're grand. So salt is like Na and Cl, sodium and chlorine, and they're both kind of dangerous on their own. Chlorine is pretty powerful stuff. You wouldn't want to be drinking too much chlorine. And also sodium is kind of ignites by itself and stuff in air and all this type of thing. But when you put the two of them together, they become salt. So it's and salt is great. It's very good for us all. Don't be having loads of it, but a good bit is good. It's fine. What am I doing? On Nasc Nua. I told you I was sleep deprived and would go off on one. So.
Na bíoch in the earth, má tá do chrí a ghurt, I glúsa nó súla, an strandéir nó cara. Éis leis annas nua, le fuim an nas nua. Éis leis annas Nis tá de gnósa nacht, ach níl do críse crua, is start de tá an lucht, is sat de voice an bua. Éis leis annas nua, le fuim an nas nua. Éis leis annas nua. Nas Chuck a serious, a dull glunga gluin, these milchin I'm Each lash on us, nua, le fuim on us, nua. Each lash on us.
Yay.
You going to read that comment from Bob Kelly?
What's that?
There's a dispute about your Amazing Grace. You better read Bob's comment.
All right, Bob Kelly is disputing Amazing Grace. What's the story? Oh, Claire does a better version. Yeah, I was thinking of actually that came to mind while I was singing. We have a bit of an in joke about Amazing Grace. Yes, Gurmila Mahagav. You're salted out in the field in Westmead. How are you doing, Owen? Hope you're doing well. Fia Rua, great singer, songwriter. He's been doing some online stuff as well on his page, on his Facebook page. You should check him out. Hello, Nan. How you doing? Thanks very much, Nan. Great to have you here. It was lovely to meet you down in Pittsburgh. Sherry Heat, how are you doing? Thanks so much, Sherry. Oh, now you're actually crying. Sorry, Tim. Sending lots of love to all you guys down in Spain. Yeah. Shit on scale, lads. But since though Bob Kelly was on there, I don't actually see Bob Kelly's whatever Bob's saying hasn't come up, and that's for some reason I don't know what's going on. But Bob had asked for a song a couple of weeks ago. See, I'm not forgetting. I know there's people out there thinking he's forgot my thing. Some of them I may not do, but gonna try this one. Woody Guthrie song. Hopefully I remember most of it. Anyway, we get a couple of verses in. Trying not to worry too much about all the verses and all. But this was yes, this was Billy Bragg and Wilco, who found a load of Woody Guthrie stuff, and this is called Way Over Yonder in the Minor Key. And any lazy band heads or anyone around Dublin would probably know this one from just singing. Everybody's singing it. It's a favourite. This is for Bob Kelly, who would ask for it.
I lived in a place called Overski. I had a little girl in a holly tree. I said, little girl, it's plain to see, ain't nobody that can sing like me. Ain't nobody that can sing like me. Well, she said it's hard for me to see how one little boy got so ugly. Well, yeah, my little girl, that might be, but there ain't nobody can sing like me. Ain't nobody that can sing like me. Way over yonder in the minor key. Way over yonder in the minor key. Ain't nobody that can sing like me. Oh, well, we went down by the Buckeye Creek to see Froggy the Goggle-eyed Bee, to hear that west wind whistle to the east. Ain't nobody that can sing like me. Ain't nobody that can sing like me. Well, her mama cut a switch from a cherry tree, and she laid it down on she and me. It stung lots worse than a hive of bees, and there ain't nobody that can sing like me. Ain't nobody that can sing like me. Oh, way over yonder in the minor key. Way over yonder in the minor key. that can sing like me. Well, I have come a long, long way, but I still look back on my Tanglewood days. I've led lots of girls since then to stray, saying ain't nobody that can sing like me, ain't nobody that can sing like me. Way over yonder in the minor key, way over yonder in the minor key, way over yonder in the minor key. Well, there ain't nobody that can sing like me. Way over yonder in the minor key, way over yonder in the minor key, way over yonder in the minor key. Ain't nobody that can sing like me. Ain't nobody that can sing like me.
That's an oldie. Lovely stuff, everybody. Well, I'd say there's some folks saying hello that I'm not seeing. I think maybe over on Facebook there, but apologies to you guys. Thanks so much for listening in. I appreciate it. I'll have a look later and say hello to you, see what yous were saying. I'm sure there's plenty of wit out there. Look, I'll do one more and then I'll be gone, because otherwise I could just stay all day and keep going. Let me see, what else have I got going? I've another birthdays. Me cousins, Louis and Jamie, twins, are 30 today. So a shout out to you guys. I hope you're having a lovely day today. Let me see what I sing for you guys. Who knows? We'll see what happens here. Let's do Curran Lungig Shoal for the crack. Right, sure. Curran Lungig Shoal, set the ship a sail, which is a bit of fun. Seed na creintje is swintje, na glover the viola lekjo, is aring gaggar gugaira, nurukaro on long egg show. Karalong egg show, karalong egg show, a mock is a mach o tarlumna, all in the tahi nyart lenniker, nyart lana, shikaramin along egg show. Jassy anchonin for fun in his fjarlum eish knapja, is aring got grew in the stew in the recaro on long egg show. So current long egg show, current long egg show, the show, the mock is a mock. Oh, Tarlona, all in the tahi nyart, lenniker, nyart, lana, shikarabin, along egg show.
mu Shantok dun Atlantic. Steve I'm Ash good yo. Is Arimo hail Guseo. Nurakoron on long egg show. Karan long egg show. Karan long egg show. Show. The muck is a muck. Oh, Talona. Even in tap in yard. The yard. The nose. Karamir and long egg show.
So, Shinawil, we might leave it at that for this week. I am working on some different concepts. I have a whole gig from the Button Factory that I did a couple of years ago, and I got them professionally done up and everything. But I'm thinking of streaming them like a full gig, so people will feel like they're back in the Button Factory at a whole gig. I'm not sure what time might be good to do that. This is fairly early, maybe later midweek or something. I don't know. We might do that on YouTube and Facebook. Other than that, I'm kind of getting a new little project together as well. I've been working on, and I'm calling it The Musical Pint, and it's going to be a little playlist on my YouTube channel. And it's going to have two traditional songs or folk songs each time. So that's the crack. And I might put it out as a podcast as well. I'm toying with some ideas just to see how it goes. So let me know if any of them things sound of interest, or if you have any advice for me on those fronts. Tara Power, how are you doing? Of course. Oh, Tara, yeah. You're very welcome, Tara and Mark. Mark McGuigan used to sing the Ain't Nobody That Can Sing Like Me, and we all would join in. So you're very welcome. Good to help. That's the thing about songs, like my new song called Old Songs. Old songs are great. They really have memories along with them and all. They're brilliant. And sure, we're making new memories with some of these songs now as well, and we'll all remember these strange times in a couple of years when we think back. Yes, Bewley's was great spot. Bit of a love-hate relationship. It was kind of weird, but you love it in the end, that kind of thing. All right, Nut in the Hut. That's second call for Nut in the Hut. So look, let's do Nut in the Hut. If I'm doing Nut in the Hut, we have to Kathy was supposed to leave for Ireland tonight. Oh, so sorry to hear that, Kathy. I'm sure you'll get there soon enough. Ireland's still there, and it's we all have stuff that we hope to do, but I'm delighted you could be with us anyway to get a bit. Although we went a bit bluesy and a bit different today, but hopefully there was enough Irishiness for you there. There's the flag anyway for you. Klaus, how are you doing in Denmark? Thank you very much. And Colum is there. How you doing, Colum? Lord Colum just telling me, for your posture, supposed to stand tall. Yes, I'd be always down. So remembering that, Colum. Thanks. Annika, how you doing, Annika? And yeah, Falcher wrote Robert. So Bob, I mentioned the video there earlier by Fiach Moriarty. Bob was the one who made that video in Dublin. Kathy, if you're looking for something, you should go and find Fiach Moriarty on the Twitter, and his or Bob, if you can there, share a link to that video that you made with Fiach. That would be great. All right, we're gonna do another song. couple more shout outs. And then I've got some, I got to catch up on some sleep that I missed last night. So
You are the nut in the hut.
I am the nut in the hut. So this is the nut in the hut. Everyone's a nut in the hut now. It used to be just musicians were nuts in the huts, doing weird things, weird times. But sure, everyone knows what it's like now to be a bit stuck in a bit of a rut. Who else do we have here? Karen Hammer. How you doing, Karen? Thank you so much for being in here. You're very welcome. Yes, tune in earlier or you can listen back. I guess I should mention a few things I've been doing on YouTube, in the description, and also on my blog on endoriley.com. If you go there, you can find, if you like particular songs that I did, I'm putting a bit of time into, a bit of work into making links for you so you can go back and listen to a song if you missed one or you just want to hear something else from a couple of weeks ago or whatever. So that's all on the YouTube channel and on endoriley.com as well. Alan, thank you very much, Alan. I'm delighted you enjoyed it. It was a bit of a different set. I'm trying to keep it different and your requests are helping with that. I have a load of new songs I've been working on with other people as well. Well, a few anyway that I want to get in. So I might try a few new ones next week. And yes, we had Stephen Kennedy there. Great. Thanks, Nan. I'm delighted you're having a bit of fun. Who else we got? Oh, in Royal Oak. How you doing, Tom? You sure you're a neighbour? You're only down the road. Very welcome in. Right, the nut in the hut. You got to join in, folks. This is imperative. Your bit is woo or boo, whatever your choice. You can let me see you try and write out the word boo. How would you write boo? So I would go into schools doing musical shows for kids and also about climate change, and sometimes I'd throw this one in for a bit of fun, and then you'd be leaving the school, and later on you'd hear you as you're leaving the school, maybe an hour later, you'd hear kids still going boo, boo. So many teachers didn't thank me for leaving their schools with people going boo. In fact, I was in, where was it? On the way to Blessington Lakes there. Blessington. I was in Blessington once, and I came out and I went to the store, to the Lidl down the road, or the Aldi, and this was like 4 hours later or something, and there was kids in the car park still going boo. That was it. All right. I love yous all. Here is the nut in the hut. You'll pick it up if you don't know it.
There's a man in a hut, he's a bit of a nut. Spends his days listening and his nights writing. He drinks beer for breakfast, porridge for his supper. He beats a drum at 4 a.m. I am the nut in the hut. Woo! I've lived here for all time. Oh, I'm stuck in a bit of a rut. Woo! Drinking sandy wine. Yes, the man in the hut wears no shoe on his foot when he walks on jagged stones by the desert lake of bones. Oh, he scuttles and he scurries and he buckles up his worries and he falls to his knees. He knows not what he believes. I am the nut in the hut. Ooh, I've lived here for all time. Oh, I'm stuck in a bit of a rut. Ooh, drinking sandy wine. Cast it aside. Now I am the flowing tide. I drink beer for breakfast, porridge for me supper. A beat the drum at 4 a.m. Here we go. I am the nut in the hut. Woo! I've lived here for all time. Oh, I'm stuck in a bit of a rut. Woo! Drinking sandy wine. I am the nut in the hut. Yes, I am the nut in the hut. Yes, I am the nut in the hut. I'm the nut in the I'm the nut in the hut. Woo! I've lived here for all time. You know I'm stuck in a bit of a rut. Woo! Drinking sandy wine. I am the nut in the hut. Woo! Lived here for all time. I'm stuck in a bit of a rut. Woo! But tomorrow I'll be fine. I promise.
Right. Woo! Bit of surrealism. Never went astray. What's that? Oh yeah. So I should say some stuff like I have a tip jar, which is kind of hard to miss because it's in front of you there. But people had been asking, so that was great. Thank you very much to all people who've tipped, and don't feel like you have to tip. If you don't want to, don't bother. This is great for me to be getting playing anyway. But please do, if you feel free, if you want to. There's a thing called Venmo in America, in the US as well, and I'm at Enda-Riley. That's in the description as well on YouTube, and I think on Facebook too. EndaRiley.com, as you see on the right hand side there. I need to do a little bit of work on it, but there's a lot of links to different things there, and I have a Bandcamp page which you can find on the albums section there. The blog section has a couple of different links to like an interview I did with Dahi Rua, and a few other bits and pieces that happen. Shin and Scale again, we'll be back next Saturday. I'm just gonna say hello and see who else was from the links that are coming up here. Yes, so enjoy your sunshine in Ireland. It's still snowing here. It toys with you. Michigan weather. It's the best song Syd Barrett never wrote. Thanks very much, Stephen. So I'm playing backwards. Wow, how did I do that? Thanks, Sarah, for listening in. I probably make more sense backwards today than forwards. Now, who else have we got? Owen. Woo! You hear that at most gigs. Boo! Come on, Fia. Fia's big in Switzerland. Switzerland is a good spot to have. Me and Fia went to gig in Switzerland a couple of years back. It was amazing. Thanks again, Fia, for bringing me along. That was what a place. Tim Hart has Boo with a Y. Bew. Excellent. We have Aoife Scott. Thanks, Aoife, for tuning in. And we have Free Drive Space. Love the Kjolkurm. Oh, thanks very much. I think I know who Free Drive Space is. I think that's my computer expert over there in Ireland. You're very welcome. Yeah, thanks everyone for tuning in. Some of you I didn't get to see. There's Carolyn there. How you doing, CJ? Thanks very much for tuning in. And yeah, if you could share this with people as well, anyone you might think might enjoy it, that'd be great, and invite them next week, because it'd be always nice to get new people in. And I'll have a few new songs for you next week, and we'll see about those other ideas when they might come out in the next while. And happy birthday again to my wife. Yesterday we had a lovely day here, eating pizzas, watching reruns of Game of Thrones when it was good. Kind of looking back at some of the stuff, it's interesting to watch again. Actually, it's very, very good. And what else is going on? Louis and Jamie, happy birthday again to you guys, and happy Mother's Day to all mothers tomorrow. Have a good one. All right, everybody. I'll see you on the internet waves, and if not before then, I will see you on Saturday again. All right, slán go fóill.